So this is the unpacking of the, don't put my face. The unpacking of the famous Touchbook.
Yeah, created by a French guy.
Yes.
Yes.
And here we have the magnets.
Wow. What for is these magnets?
It's to put it on the fridge.
Ah, okay. To stick them in the fridge. Okay. Yeah, it's a real magnet. Wow. It's really powerful. Wow. Wow, it's hard to remove that. Fuck. It's so hard. Okay.
Yeah.
Looking good. And
Now we have the famous Touchbook.
did you opt for this red color?
It's the color by default. Yes.
Ah, okay. You have one single color?
Yes.
Okay.
And
Okay.
the
So it has a
yeah.
QWERTY keyboard.
The keyboard
Pretty
doesn't
good.
seem to be too. Seems a bit hacked.
So YouTube permits YouTube. And it has a touchpad, yeah,
Yes.
with 2 buttons. It's like a multi-finger touchpad or single.
No, I guess it's simple.
Okay, let's check it out. And what are the different ports? Okay, you have the power button, you have 2 USBs, and you have what is this port? Is
I guess it's for speakers. No.
yeah,
Or
it's for the microphone and
microphone.
it's for a speaker.
Yeah.
And this one,
This is the. No, I have to check.
okay, there's a lock button, and a hold button, and another hold button on the side.
Yeah.
And can you unmount the screen? Can you detach? Yeah. Ah, okay. So I guess you have to press this button, yeah. Unlock it, and wow, that's cool. That looks cool. So yeah, you have a pretty light keyboard. You have this tablet and
It's pretty.
hardly a few grams, yeah, 400, 500 grams, I guess.
Yeah. It's like a
Okay.
big iPhone.
Yep. Yeah. Can you try talking
Yeah.
as a phone?
Yep. Hello.
Yeah.
And we'll try
Can
to
you
put it
switch
on.
on? Yeah.
Hope
Where's the power
batteries
button?
is on.
Wow. Okay. What is this logo? The
This
French
is
logo.
the Touchbook logo.
It's a multi-touch or
No, don't think so.
okay? It's booting the Linux. It's Linux or Android?
It's Ubuntu, but
Ubuntu, yeah.
there's an image for Android. And
Okay.
be sure to test this. I already compiled the 1.6. Booting time is quite long.
Yeah. By the way, I find some peculiar thing here. If you see, there's a special
Yeah.
key
I guess it's like
with
the
their logo, like
Windows
a
key.
Windows key. Yeah, they
master
replace them. Okay. So you have the function key, you have their own key, and of course on the other side you have the special key, and you have all other traditional keys.
It's like it's $400.
And then
so I
once
guess
you-
like 308, including shipping.
Wow. Okay. Got booted now,
Yeah.
and
The resolution is. Yeah, response time seems to be a bit. Uh-huh. Yeah, but it is a bit slow.
I think you have to explore more to talk about the software.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, it's opening. Just that it's a bit slow. You have to double tap. I guess you can better try with the mouse, you know, the trackpad.
Yeah.
Try to attach it. Attach it.
Ah.
Yeah. our master chief is able to open the file.
Yeah.
Okay, it displays the AVI file name. Wow. Full screen. Okay. Full screen. Not bad.
Yeah.
Can you try to attach it with the keyboard and see how smooth is that?
Hi guys.
Yep.
Number guys ask for the cover.
Yeah. Do it. Cool. Skip
Yeah.
and starts working just like that. Okay. Cool. Cool stuff.